If you have ever made AI UGC ads, you have seen this issue before. Every video ends up being too short and it stops in the middle of a sentence.
Trying to hit the 2 p.m. mark early, All right, workout done. Sweaty but hydrated. This is the one bottle that actually...
Yet somehow we're all pretending like that's fine. Luckily, I have spent a couple of months experimenting with these AI UGC ad generators, trying to break the limits. And I finally discovered a strategy with which you can create good-looking, longer AI UGC ad videos of up to 60 seconds in length. And in this video, I will show you my simple 3-step workflow with which you can do that with no experience in AI or advertisements or anything. To create long AI UGC ad videos, we're going to use a platform called ArcAds AI. And after you have signed up to ArcAds AI using my link in the description, you can actually just go directly to the Talking Actors section, click on Add Actors and choose one of these actors from the list. But since we don't want to use existing stuff, we don't want to be like everybody else is, we're actually going to create our own AI UGC style influencer from complete scratch. So as the first step, what I want you to do is head over to the section where it says image and then just describe your AI influencer in the prompt box. For example, I'm going to do something like this. Realistic close-up portrait of a woman with fair skin and shoulder length, light brown hair, casually tousled and parted off center, minimal makeup, natural skin texture, soft, relaxed expression, cozy indoor evening lighting, shallow depth of field, warm tones, candid lifestyle, vlog aesthetic. So I want to keep this very authentic and relatable, not like a supermodel or anything like that. Oh, and if you don't know how to use fancy words like that, don't worry, me neither. You can just copy paste the product page of your product into ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to describe a perfect ideal UGC actor for that product. And before you hit send, I recommend making sure that here in the settings you have selected GPT Image 1.5 as the image generation model, because I think it is right now the best AI image generator for this purpose. Then just hit send. And as you can see, this is super awesome because it costs 0 credits. So you get to use the GPT Image 1.5 model for entirely free here. So let's hit generate image and we're going to wait for a second. And here is our result. And I really like it because it looks very authentic and genuine, and it doesn't look like a photo shoot or some kind of an advertisement studio thing, but it is just a genuine, normal looking person before going to the bed, which is exactly what we want from an AI UGC style advertisement. And obviously, as the next step, we need a product that our AI actor will then promote. And for this advertisement, I'm going to create a UGC ad for Hey Bud skincare company that is promoting this kind of ageless wonder product. And I want them to hold this particular product in their hand in the video. So now let's head back to ArcAds AI and let's choose image again and let's add an image of our actor into this view. And since we're using the GPT Image 1.5 model, we can add more images here. So let's add the image of this product as the next step. And now simply let's just tell the AI to make this actor hold this product in their hand. And then let's just hit generate. And here is our result. And I really like it since it looks exactly the same actor as we had in the previous image that we created in the first step. And also this product that she is holding right now looks exactly like this product here in the product photo. So I think we're ready to start turning this into an actual UGC style video. And to do that, you need to head back to ArcAds AI, and here in the prompt box, instead of selecting image, we're going to select Talking Actors and click on Add Actors. And here it allows you to create an actor. So click on that and then click on this upload option. And now just upload the image you just created here. And to make it look like a proper UGC style advertisement, make sure to describe what the actor should do in the video. So for example, I'm going to use this prompt that is make the woman talk excitedly about the product in a UGC style video. And after that, I will click on turn into talking actor. This eats up 2 credits. So just click on confirm and click on turn into talking actor. And once ArcAds has finished creating your AI actor, it is time to turn that into an actual UGC style video. And to do that, you need to head back to ArcAds AI and choose talking actors and pick add actors, and then go to my actors and choose the model you just trained and click on add actors. And now as you can see, they have added this actor into this chat box over here. And now all you need to do is tell the AI what the actor should say in the UGC video. And for example, here is a short UGC script that I created for my product that this actor is going to say. And by the way, if you want to enhance the video script a bit, you can click on add emotions and the AI will automatically add these kind of short comments into different sections of your script to make the actor have different emotions throughout the script. But that is obviously completely optional. Once your script looks good, just hit generate. And here is our result.
Okay, quick share. I've been using this Hey Bud Ageless Wonder set for a few weeks now.
This looks fantastic. So just remember that we started from a simple prompt with which we created this AI actor. Then we took an image of the product and we combined the actor image with the product and we created this photo. And now we have turned that photo into this video where the actor sounds and looks like a real person in a very authentic and relatable setting, talking about this simple skincare product. I absolutely love it. But the problem here is that this is super boring. Basically nothing is happening in this shot. As you can see, it is 30 seconds in length. So we definitely need to add some B-roll footage on top of this video to make it an actual usable AI UGC style advertisement. And for example, on a short 30-second clip like this, I would say that we would need to add like 5 to 6 different clips on top of this one over here. And obviously we're going to create those using AI as well. And the key part here is that we want the actor in those B-roll clips to look the exact same as she looks here in this main footage. So first we want to create ideas for our B-roll, then we want to turn those ideas into images and then those images into videos. And to do that, I have developed a very simple ChatGPT prompt that you can use for this specific purpose. And you can find this prompt in the description of the video. And now all you have to do is replace this part where it says your script here with your actual video script and then just hit enter. And now ChatGPT starts to come up with B-roll footage ideas for your AI UGC ad video. And notice that these are written in an image format. So the idea here is to turn these prompts into photos first, and then we're going to turn those photos into videos. So just an example, here's the B-roll clip number 2, and it says a close-up of a woman gently applying cream to her neck with upward motions, soft lighting, focus on skin texture and hydration. So now what I want you to do is copy this one and head back to Arcade AI and head over to the section where it says image, and then copy paste your prompt into this prompt box and then select your actor as the reference photo. Then choose either Nano Banana Pro or GPT Image 1.5 as the model for this one, and then just hit generate. And here is the result, and as you can see, it looks fantastic since it looks exactly like our AI actor. Now just do the same process for every single one of these prompts you got from ChatGPT. And once you have done that, go back to Arcade AI and choose one of your B-roll footage images, click on the image and click on video. As you can see, it selects the photo as the reference to our video, and then you can just quickly tell the AI what you want the video to do. So for instance, here we can tell something like a woman applying cream to her neck with upward motions, and then just hit generate. I mean, that is just awesome. Now, once you have created these videos for every single one of these scene prompts that you saw earlier here in ChatGPT, just download the footage and then just open up a video editor. For example, I am going to use iMovie, but you can use any tool that you like. Then just add your main footage into the timeline and then just drag and drop these previous B-roll footage clips you created into the timeline as well and adjust based on what looks nice. And here is the final result that I got.
Okay, quick share. I've been using this Hey Bud Ageless Wonder set for a few weeks now. And honestly, my neck was the first place I noticed changes. It just feels way more hydrated and a bit firmer. I didn't expect anything dramatic overnight, but my skin looks smoother and feels bouncier. What I really like is that it doesn't feel heavy or sticky, so I actually enjoy using it every day. If you're starting to think about face and neck care, this one's been a win for me.
And that is how easy it is to create a longer AI UGC ad video. So all you need to do is have a base image of your actor and a product, then use AI to combine the product with the actor so that the actor is holding the product, then just train a model that can make the actor say anything with a product in their hand, and then cap it off by adding some B-roll footage that you can also create using AI to make the video less boring. This means the potential is pretty much endless. And if you're not using a tool like this already, you are just wasting your time and money. And since Archives is this easy to use, I highly recommend you giving it a shot with a link in the description. And also thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.